Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got some new additions to the fleet here. So I got two SCX24s, I sold my C10, one TRX-4M, and if we look over here, four more RC cars. Today, we are going to be talking about the TRX-4M Bronco. Picked this one up locally for $250 with the trailer. So first, we're gonna just do a quick trailer review. I haven't opened any of this. This is used. This stuff's used. It's been used once by the owner, previous owner, indoors. So, I mean, it looks like this is actually pretty cool. I'm more into scale, so this is like right up my alley. This is actually a pretty cool little trailer. It's got soft tires. Gonna make for some good content with the scale looks. So that looks pretty cool. Pretend like it's on here. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, so the nice little trailer. It's all plastic. Feels kind of like Playmobil, to be honest. Except the wheels are nice, so it'll be good. Good little scale piece to the collection. So let's move on to the Bronco. Oh, beauty. That looks good. Very good. So remote has brand new batteries in it from the... This was used, and I'm pretty sure he gave me the wrong remote. It doesn't work, and this is a Traxxas, which is not right. So I'm gonna message him and get this all sorted out. But let's talk about this Bronco though. Wow. Now, I've always been a Bronco fan. Behind me, I have a 79 Bronco 1-to-1 scale that I am restoring. So I've always loved these trucks. I also have SCX24 Bronco, which looks really good as well. This one's actually, it doesn't have a servo right now. It broke. That's over there. But wow, does this thing look amazing, guys. Like the details on this, like, oh, that's really nice. Now, I really like the SCX24, but this, I have to say, I don't know, it's pretty tight. Let me know what you guys think. Which Bronco looks better? Because I think, I don't know, I'm leaning towards this one. It's got a little more of that detail. I don't know. You guys give me your opinion below as well. But here's the real reason I picked this up, guys, is because I want to mod one, but I don't want to mod that one because I was going to get rid of that one. I wanted one that I really liked. They're not that far off in size, but I do think this body will be a little bit better in performance than this huge Land Rover body. It's got the little hitch on the back. Oh. Like, that's pretty freaking cool. So there's not much to say, guys. Honestly, there's been lots of videos on really going in depth on all the parts and links and all the electronics. So I'm just really first look kind of it. And then we're gonna run this too. So quickly before we run it, just the price. This was $250 with the trailer. Basically brand new. And I paid $230 for that at my local hobby store. So really good deal in my opinion, because this alone would be $230, and to find it, all right, is another battle. And then the trailer is usually $40, $50, so pretty good deal. So we got the right remote. It's all working like it should. So that's good. Now keep in mind this Bronco does have the tow hitch on it for the little trailer. So that's a little bit of clearance loss, but we are going to see if it can do my little course here. This is just my test course indoor. It's super cold outside right now. So I don't really want to go out there, but I always test my rigs on this because it's just a good little test. You got some bumps, a little uphill, downhill, kind of getting everything that you want to test, see like the clearance and stuff. So the Land Rover did well, but it did struggle on the uphill because of that body. So I want to see if this thing can do better. All right, so first section here, just gonna pull up. I do like the Bronco already way better than the Land Rover, just because of the looks. Like, I'm just a Bronco guy, so I do like it better. All right, we're gonna get up to the hill here. Got a little stuck there, a little hung up. Partially my terrible choice of line. Hung up on this high center here. If we take a better line, we can definitely avoid that. There you go. There it is. Okay, let's get to the hill climb. See how it goes here. There's that trailer hitch getting hung up. Oh, wow. That was almost too easy. Jeez, that was not even an issue at all. Oh, uh-oh. Might be an issue now. Looks like we're hung up. Get over the bump. Oh my gosh, this thing's just literally destroying the course. What are we hung up on? Looks like our diff there. We get some grip. Oh. Man, this is extremely capable. And it's bone stock. And the hitch just hinders performance. So look at this thing go right now. You see the hitch bottomed out there. We might be in trouble. Uh-oh. Oh, oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Save it. See, we're hanging on by a thread. Can we make it? Oh yeah, baby. So let's go the other way. All right, back at it, coming the other way here. And this thing just hooks up so much better than the Land Rover. I know they're the exact same, but the bodies actually make a huge difference. Look at that, just a beast. Just crawling slowly over this whole thing. Oh my gosh. So that's a perfect example of where the Land Rover would have flipped for sure because of the body. But we're still rolling with the Bronco here. Get a better line here, go back up. Come around the side, there we go. Come down. Slight work. That is the first run. And even with the hitch, I think it still did better than the Land Rover. I'm very happy with this choice. I really like this Bronco. It's all personal preference, but I do see a difference because of the body on the Land Rover being so heavy. I do see a difference there. I'd say definitely the Bronco is a little bit better just because of the body's a little bit smaller. So you can stay on your wheels a bit easier. But we're gonna be modding this one, guys, and really transform this thing into an animal, if it's not already. So we're also going to be comparing. So guys, make sure you subscribe. We're also going to be doing a comparison video on these two trucks here, a little performance testing, and really get a really good conclusion on which one is better. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, and we're going to be making some awesome videos down the road. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.